just to preserve the residents, what they have and what they allow visitors to experience, and preserve it for the future. The history has allowed us to have these nice trails, and the amount of work that's been put in and volunteer time.
Make sure that if you're riding on private land, you've asked the landowner whether it's okay for you to ride there. In a public park, make sure that you're not in horse or equestrian traffic. Make sure that you're watching for two-way traffic and respect the rights of others that are on the trail with you.
Know where you're riding. Don't get lost in the woods. Whose property are you riding on? What are the trail conditions going to be like? Did people post weather updates, and check the weather for your ride yourself?
You've got to make sure that we stay on the trail so that we avoid areas that are impacted by any kind of bike activity. If there's historical areas that we don't go ride where we're not supposed to be riding, there are wetlands that we've got to make sure that we're taking care of. As an e-bike advocate and rider, I want to make sure that I take care of our trails so that we have them for generations.
So doing your part is packing out what you pack in, making sure you're cleaning up after yourself, and not only yourself but others. If they leave trash out in the woods, we all have to work together to keep our woods clean and healthy, so we're fortunate enough to keep these trails.
We tread lightly.